Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got 1994 Ford F150 SVT Lightning. This casting is by Matchbox from their moving parts, was new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 1994 Ford Lightning out of its box. First thing you will notice, it's finished in nice red color. I'm starting from the front, so got good details in the front. You got painted headlamps, turn indicator, painted grille, Ford badge, body colored bumper, which I think was part of SPT because it's way earlier than I actually saw these trucks. I don't know have I actually seen one in like real life. I'm not sure, but it looks like they came with like match same color bumper, which was very unique for that time. Most of the trucks had chrome or black bumpers back then. Seems a bit lower too. It's a regular cab, so big bed. You got both the mirrors, windshield wipers, good to have. It has an opening hood, which will come and look at it later. Right now, let's cover the vehicle. So on the driver's side, you got those wheels, which look nice, especially for a truck from 90s. They look very good there, rather than having those ugly 5-spoke. It looks good. There's no window in the front door, so you can see the interior, which is finished in black. Now it has got two badges on the side. One says F150, other one says Lightning. You also got the fuel door on the driver's side. Door handle is also detailed. So I'm not sure if it had two tanks, but there are two fuel doors. Maybe it had two tanks. Maybe I need to Google that. If anybody owned this or where have seen this, just drop a comment. Now I do like the body line. See, because nowadays trucks have become so big and huge. It's very different. Coming to the back, again good details here. Painted tail lamp, Ford logo, Lightning logo, bumper with a step and black trim pieces. Also you've got detailed door handle, and this one also opens. So you have a tailgate that opens. You can see the bed there. Window, which rear window, which seems to have a sliding window in there. Now on the passenger side, looks almost identical. No fuel doors here. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So some details are there, which is nice to have. This is how it looks from the top. Now let's move to the hood and see what is in there. So you can see there are some good details. Let me see if I can focus there. So again, some nice painted details there. Matchbox has been doing some good job, so you can see a lot of details there. And I think it's good to have all those details in the moving part. Makes it more desirable rather than just having opening hood and doors. The details in there make it look even better. That's how I feel. Yeah, so I think it's a very nice looking casting with a lot of good details. Looks really good in this paint job, and I think Matchbox has done a great job with this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.